everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video we will be taking a look at some ultra premium cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is the one that's a little bit more wide with 2 camera lenses, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which is the one that is slimmer with 3 camera lenses. Now these ones here, this is from Benks. This is their Armor Grand Combo. This one that's over here for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, this one is the Pro, and this one over here is the Air. So right there it says the Benks Armor Grid Pro. That means that this one is built with Kevlar and infused with TPU to give it a little bit more protection. Now, if you're looking for one that's a little bit slimmer, now this one is that Benks Armor Grid Air. Now this one is just fully made of Kevlar, so it's going to be a little bit lighter, a little bit slimmer. The price difference of the two is that the Air is about $10 more. So if you're looking for something that's very slim, very sleek, but also still protects your phone, you're going to go for the Air. If you want a little bit more protection with it though, and you want Kevlar along with TPU, especially along the sides of the phones if it was, to drop, which they've tested this, and I've seen on their website that they've tested over 5,000 drops in normal everyday use case drops all the way up to 12 feet. Then you'll probably want to go for this one that's right over here. So they're both rated for the same. This one, I believe, to me personally, is going to have a little bit more protection with the Kevlar plus the infused TPU. And for transparency purposes, this is a paid review, but it's only the fee to be shown on this side of channel, and also for me to keep it completely honest. It's not a sponsored video. I'm not going off of a script of what I can or can't say, and it's also not being approved before upload. If you are interested in these Benks cases, I will be placing these links below the video inside the description, as well as the top pinned comment. What we will do is we will do one at a time because these are some pretty big cases. Now, the phone that I will be using personally is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So let's go through, let's put on the front, let's put on the back, as well as the screen protector, just to show you how easy it is to get this thing installed. With the top off, you can tell that the presentation is premium. Now over here on the left hand side, this is the phone case that goes on the back. This also has the hinge that's a part of it. Because this one is the Pro series, this is the one that is Kevlar with infused TPU. That means that right over here, this one is going to be Kevlar and TPU as well. I think it's mostly TPU for the front portion of the phone. So this way it's just a little bit more, has a little bit more movability and a little bit more protection, I think. And then this right here, this is going to be the screen protector. So you'll just open all of these up, and inside of here, this is going to give you everything that you're looking for when it comes down to installing the tempered glass. So this right here, this is going to be how you're able to put it on your phone. You got the top and then you got the bottom. You put it on there, it's going to align and get everything all straightened up for you to put on your tempered glass. Now what's cool about this one is that it's on this really cool, and what happened was I just pulled this down and for some reason it wanted to crack it. Everything you see here is inside of the Grand Combo box, and I did have a little whoopsie. I probably pulled this back a little bit too hard or a little bit too quick, and it kind of cracked the very top right hand side of the tempered glass. I like the presentation, but this is maybe an area of improvement, maybe a different type of something that would hold on to your tempered glass, maybe something that you just peel off the film, something a little bit more simple. Again, I like the presentation of this one here, but it also brings in and allow to show you what it would look like if you went off and you purchased the tempered glass screen protector by itself. What's inside of here is slightly different than what you see here when it comes down to presentation. This one has a different installation kit, and I'm going to show it to you because this one over here had a little bit of a crack. But inside of that Grand Combo box, you will be able to get this right here. This is your back cover. And also, again, everything is MagSafe, so when you place this on your phone, you'll be able to use any of the MagSafe technologies or MagSafe accessories that you have. And you'll have additional adhesion, so if you needed to replace the adhesion for the front portion of the screen, you can do that. And then again, it will have everything for you over here, so your cleaning supplies, the stickers, the installation guide, everything. And then this right here is the alignment tool for this one that comes inside the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move these right here out of the way, so this way we can take a look at what exactly is inside of this right here. So if you were to go off and maybe you purchased their case, but you didn't purchase a screen protector just yet, here's a tempered glass screen protector that you'd be able to use. This one is for the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and you'll see the presentation is going to be slightly different. So here is the big sticker. You can use this to take off some of the dust that is around. Here's the installation tool right here. You have the top, here's your bottom. You place this on your phone, you pull it off, and it's going to adhere to the screen. I like this setup right here better. If this could just be placed in that box combo, I would be happy with that. And in here is that cleaning wipe. You also have the microfiber wipe as well as the stickers. Stickers are to get the dust off. This is to clean the screen, and this is to make sure that there's nothing left on the device's screen. Let's first clean the device. So this is going to be with that wet wipe that we have. So you wipe everything all around, get all that smudge, all the fingerprint, all the everything off. And then you'll be able to dry off the device, and again, make sure everything is off. Sometimes it's easier when the screen is off, so this way you can see if there's any dust, especially with any type of reflections. And then once you're done with this step, now you'll be able to use your sticker. And again, try to keep your finger on this little blue portion of it. You do not want to get your fingerprint on the sticker itself. If your fingerprint gets onto the sticker itself where it's touching the screen, it can be transported from the sticker to the screen, and you don't want that. And always, usually, I check one more time just to make sure. And I'm checking with my eyes, checking with the camera, and I'm making sure everything is good. So there's nothing on that device. Now this is where you'll take this one that comes from if you were to just purchase the tempered glass screen protector itself. So I'm going to align this. Now this one is aligned, I'm going to pull this off. And that was step 1. And here's step 2. I'm just going to run my finger across the top, and I'll lift this up, and then I'll pull off this sticker. And this is where you just want to make sure that you get all those bubbles pushed out. The installation is a success. Everything worked out perfectly when it came down to that tempered glass screen protector. Then all you got to do is now put on your front. You just want to align it, and then now you head on and you place on your back. And here is the finished product. Now over here you will have the openness for your fingerprint reader. So for your side key, it will be exposed, it will be open, but it's again for you to unlock your device. Here's your volume rocker. This one is going to be covered, so the case is covering over those volume rockers, but it does feel good. It is clicky. It's also protecting your camera sensors on the back. You can see that it is above and going beyond your camera sensor, so this way everything is fully protected. The same thing with the front. So even though you have a tempered glass screen protector, you do have clearance above the screen, so if you place your phone down, it's not going to hit the screen. And then right over here, what I like about it is that you have to actually really try to push down and try to open this thing. Usually all these flaps are very loose. This one's magnetic, so it's magnetized to the phone, and you're not going to go flap, 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 flap. So this one right here has the ultimate protection, and you can see the hinge in action. It's going right over the top. It's not affecting the phone whatsoever. The only thing it's doing is protecting your phone and also protecting the hinge. Let's take a look at the case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Here is the front portion, and it also comes with additional adhesion. So if you want to put the adhesion on here just so it's able to stick to the phone a little bit better. Here's the design of this one. This one is blue. This actually looks and feels like leather right there on the hinge protection, which is pretty sweet. Also too, this just means that it has MagSafe compatibility. So if you have anything, you know, that is MagSafe, it's all going to be fully compatible with it. My charger's right over there, but it's on the floor, but you can see it's MagSafe compatible with that, and you're going to be MagSafe compatible with this as well too, and it has a pretty good hold. The first step that I took was that I took the adhesion off of here because I'm going to place the front on first, but what I want to do is get the installation of the screen protector on, because this right here, this is the alignment guide. So I'm going to put this on right there, make sure everything fits all snug. You have to make sure you have the top, you know, aligned with the top. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to wipe this thing down, and then you're just going to do the installation. So for this one's going to be a little wet. You're going to fully clean this display. Once the front display is clean, then you're going to take the microfiber wipe. And then lastly, what you can do is going to be with these little stickers right here. So this is just going to take off any of the additional small little pieces of dust portion. I just go through one more time just in case if I happen to see anything or something. Then what's going to happen is you will now take the tempered glass screen protector, which this is a pretty cool presentation of it. So you will bend this down. Now, as you are taking this off, just be a little careful, just so you know you don't get this thing all like cracked or whatever. You're gonna line it up with the top, and then once you have it lined up and you can see it's in there, you're gonna push all 4 corners. Once you push all 4 corners, you're gonna slide your finger towards the bottom, and I'm just gonna do it towards the top as well too. And then once you get it all installed, then you just want to inspect it, make sure that there is no bubbles or anything there. If there is, what you can do is if you have a tool like this, you can just kind of push them off to the side. If you don't have a tool like this, just grab yourself like a debit card or credit card, and then you just wrap it and you put like something like this, like the microfiber wipe, around it like this. So then this way you're able to protect your phone, but then you're able to push all of the, little bubbles if there happen to be any. This one was actually pretty good. It took a minute and then they all kind of just disappeared, and there was a little bit that I just pushed off, and it was basically it. Now the next step, you just take the front and just make sure that you are aligning it. So the thicker portion of it is going to be right over here on the right hand side. You can see the cutout right there for the top, so you know which one is the top. And then now for the back and also the hinge protection, you just take this off right here so it's able to adhere to the back of the phone, and you just make sure everything just all kind of like aligns right there. So you're just going to push on all of the corners, and this is what it looks like when it's complete for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. You have your tempered glass screen protector right there. You have your front protection, and it's either going to be Kevlar or it's going to be TPU, depending if you get the Air or the Pro. Here is the hinge. So this right here is going to protect everything. Every single thing is covered. It looks good. It feels good. I think this has a really nice hinge protection that is right there. It just kind of opens and shuts. It just glides along. And then you have the back. So this right here is either going to be only Kevlar or it's going to be the Kevlar with TPU infused, that's probably the one that I would really kind of prefer, is that option there. So this over here is a open concept, especially for the fingerprint reader, because remember, for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, that right there, that side key button is also your fingerprint reader, and then there is your volume rocker. Now really what I like about these is that they do look and they feel premium. They do have the protection that you're looking for. These things have been dropped thousands of times. They are rated up to 12 feet of a drop. They did a lot of drops at just normal everyday stuff of 3 feet and 5 feet. 3 feet is for the pocket if you missed your pocket. So I like the fact that this one looks good, it feels good. For the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, this one looks and feels like leather on the side, and it's it's just Kevlar. This one is magnetized, so when it comes down to both of these hinges, you have to really try to actually pull these things open. And some people just kind of finick with them. And honestly, sometimes when you finick with some of the hinge, it also messes up with the front portion of the protection. So some of these might actually break in the past, but because now you can't really play with it, you're not going to be flinging this like little front little portion right there. So you're getting the protection, you're getting the look, you're getting the feel. And it also has the MagSafe technology a part of it. So if you have any type of MagSafe accessories, your chargers, some of these stands right here, or even if you're using some of these other cases right here where it's like a little wallet case, this one right here for this wallet case, it is going to work for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. It just happens to be that for the regular Fold 8, it's a little too short for it. This one, in terms of this accessory, it is just a little bit too large. But for everything else that is normal, everything else that's a little bit smaller, your car accessories, the stands, the holders, everything is going to work perfectly fine, especially also when it comes down over into charging. So if you're asking me which cases I'm using on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, it is going to be coming from Benks. This is the Benks Grand Combo. But if you guys have appreciated this video, if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.